Yes, Rajan, what we have done in the last class? I think median up to discrete series, right? In your class lecture. मोड स्टार्ट कर लिया था हमने. Yes, Amrita. Not median. I think mode is done up to discrete series, right? Or only for two formulas are done, one for direct method and one for individual series and one for discrete series. Yes, Akansha. Okay, so mode have started. We have written just the formulas, one for individual series, second for discrete series. Now write down the formula for continuous series. Firstly, we will complete that, and after that I will take your doubts and problems. Just continue on your notebooks, write down. In case of grouped data, we were on point number 3. In case of grouped data, the formula to calculate median mode the formula to calculate mode is equal to L plus Fm minus F naught divided by 2 Fm minus F naught minus F1 multiplied by H, where L is the lower limit of the model class. Fm, what is Fm in the formula? It is frequency of class, Fm is equal to frequency of model class. And what is F naught? It is frequency of class preceding the model class. And Fm is frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and H is width of the model class. Yes, please write down. This is the formula to calculate mode in case of continuous series. Yes, noted up to here. Yes, Harsh done. Anshuman, Amrita, Aditya, Abhishek, Utkarsh, Purvi. Okay, after that, now write down the examples. Write down example number 1. Example 1. Calculate the mode. Yes, please write down. Calculate the mode from the following table, following values. Calculate the mode from the following values. From the following values, marks are 16. Write down the values. 12 is 6. Then 18, 22. Next again 16, 15, 16, 22, 14, 10, 11, and 16. So find the value which occurs maximum number of times in these values. That is your mode. Eleven values are given. Out of these values, find a value that is here which occurs maximum number of times. Yes, which one is the value that is occurring maximum number of times? 16. Yes, right. So simply write down here mode is equal to 16. Question number 2. Variable x is given, frequency is given. X is 6, frequency 9, 12, 11, 18, 25, next 24, 16, 30, frequency is 9, 36, 10, 42, frequency is 6, 48, frequency is 3. Yes, what is the mode for this data? Yes, Ashish, what is the mode for this example number 2? Discrete series is given in which frequencies are there. 18. 18 is not, yes, 18 is equal to, mode is equal to 18. Yes, is it clear? 18. Ashish, 18 is here 25 times. So the value of x which has maximum frequency 25. So mode is equal to 18. Example number 3. Yes, write down example number 3. Calculate the mode from the following data: daily wages, number of workers, daily wages, number of workers. Data is given 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20. Yes, please write down, note that point. Class intervals are unequal. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50. Last is 50. Number of 4. First value is 4, 5. Here the value, second value is 5, 4, 5, then 12. Next value is 12. Next is 16, 8, then 3, and the last value is 2. Last value is 2. I'm again repeating the statement. Find the mode of the data in which daily wages are given 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, and number of workers 4, 5, 12, 16, 8, 3, 2. Yes, statement noted. Okay, now write down solution. So this is the first question that we will do for the continuous series. So firstly, make a table. On the left hand side here, write down daily wages 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 45, and 45 to 50. In the first column, write down daily wages. In the second column here, write down this is your frequency 4, 5, 12, 16, 8, 3, 2. Yes, done up to here. So firstly, in continuous data, you have to check which one is the model class. Find out the maximum frequency. Yes, find out the maximum frequency. It is equal to 60, and in front of that 20 to 30 is there, and that is the maximum, that is the model class. So here write down model class is equal to 20 to 30. So now we will apply the formula. So what is L? L is 20, and we know in case of the formula mode we need L plus Fm minus F naught divided by 2Fm minus F naught minus F1 into H. H is the width of the model class 20 to 30. Its width is 10, not for the whole data. Okay, what is Fm? Fm is the frequency of the model class, and it is 16. Clear? This 16 is your Fm. And the frequency that is above on Fm, that is your F1. And the frequency that is below on Fm, that is F0. Clear? So write down here all the values. F1 is 12 and F0 is equal to, it is equal to 8. Yes, substitute all the values in this formula and tell me what is your mode. Yes, if anybody have any doubt in this, then please ask. It's very easy. Fm means frequency of that model class. F1 is frequency that is above on Fm, and F0 is the frequency of the class that is below of the model class, and H is the width of model class. Substitute all the values and calculate your answer. 24. Yes, Ashish, right. Its answer is approx 23.33. 23.33. Yes, is it done? Yes, Amrita, Purvi, is it completed? Are you getting the same answer? 24 or 23.33? After substituting the values, its exact answer is 23.33. Should I move to the next question? Okay, write down next question. Find out more for the following data. Class intervals are given and frequency is given. Class intervals are from 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. And frequency values are 8, 10, 12. It is 12. Next is 22. It is 22. Next 16. Then 14. Yes, please solve this question. Find out more for this data. Firstly, check that your class intervals are in the inclusive form. So firstly, convert it in the exclusive form and then apply. Firstly, find the model class. After that, apply the formula to calculate median. After 10 is 12, Harsh. This is 12. 12, then it is 22. 8, 10, 12, 22, 16, 40. Yes, please start your solution. In the first column, write down class intervals. After making it exclusive, then write down the frequency. Then find your model class and apply the formula. It will be 0.5 to 9.5. You can write down negative if you want. Next is 10.5 to 19.5. Then 19.5 to 29.5. 29.5 to 29.5. 29.5. Next is 39.52, 49.5 and 49 to 59.5. Write down the frequency values as it 8, 10, 12, 22, 16, 14. So clearly your median class is, mode class is, model class is 29 to yes 9.5. Harsh, you have to subtract 0.5. Yes, here 9.5. Sorry, it was my mistake. 0.5 to 9.5, then 9.5 to 19.5. Yes, model class is 29.5 to 39.5. So 22 is your FM, this is your F1, and this is your F0. So just apply the formula and calculate the value for mode. Thirty-three point two five. 33.25. Yes, anyone else? Except Ashish, please share your answer. Remember in the formula, in the denominator, first term is 2fm. 2fm minus f1 minus f0. No, there is some mistake. Both of you are getting different answer. Why? Check your calculation again and please use calculator. $35.12. Yes. Yes, Harsh, Amrita, Purvi. Actually, according to me, the answer that I have, it is 35.75. So you are applying the formula to calculate mode L. L is 29.5 plus FM, it is 22 minus F1 is 12 divided by 33.25 divided by 2FM. It is 44 minus 12 minus 16 into H, differences of 10. It is equal to 29.5 plus 10 by 44 minus 28. 16, 10. Yes, please check the calculation for this term. It is 29.5 plus 100 by 16. 33.25. Yes, Harsh? Hi, all of you are getting the different answer. $35.75. Only Rajan is getting the correct answer. Yes, I'm also getting 35.75. 100 by 16, it is 6.25. It's okay if you are just solving without calculator. But in the exam, if there are four options, then you have to take the correct one. Maybe the options are different. Like first option is 35.75, second is 2.25, third is 00, and next is 0.12. So in that case, use calculator, right? So its correct answer is 35.75. Yes, Abhishek, right. Now I am giving you one question in which three frequencies are missing. So all the topics mean median mode already completed. The question is related to all that three measures. Amrita, in the formula Fm minus F1 in the numerator. Yes, in the numerator it is Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F0. Please write down the correct formula. Okay, now write down next question. This is also important. Class intervals are given. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Would we write down the formula? Mode is equal to L plus Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F0, F1 or F0 into H. Class intervals are 40 to 50, write down up to 70. In the second column, write down frequency values 4, 16, F1, F2, F3. Then 6, 4. Three frequencies are missing, and what is given in the data? Given capital N is 230, median is equal to 33.5, mode is equal to 33. Mode is equal to 34. Sorry, mode is equal to 34. It is 34. Yes, please try to solve this question. उज्जवल फॉर्मूले में Fm माइनस F1 है, अगर मैंने 0 लिखा है तो सही कर लो, इट इज Fm माइनस F1. सॉरी, अगर रॉन्ग लिखा है देन प्लीज राइट डाउन इट करेक्टली. इन द न्यूमरेटर इट इज F1. Ashish, please update it. It is F1. Yes, all of you, please correct that formula. In the numerator, it is Fm minus F1. This is the correct one that is written on whiteboard right now. Use this formula. So firstly, median is given here and capital N is given here. I think all of you are using that one. N is sum of all frequencies. So calculate these values. It is 30 plus F1 plus F2 plus F3. Because three values are missing, so you need at least three equations in F1, F2, F3. उज्जवल, जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो Fm माइनस F1 से आएगा आपका. ठीक है, वो आपका थोड़ा सा जो डिफरेंट आ रहा था आशीष, वो उसकी वजह से ही आ रहा था. हाँ, F1 है. अब आगे के लिए अपने फॉर्मूले में F1 लिखना है इन द न्यूमरेटर. So in this question, one equation you have from this equation, n is given 230. So one equation is F1 plus F2 plus F3 is equal to 200, right? Is equal to 200 because n is given 230. So 230 minus 30, it is equal to 200. Yes, after that, next are you calculating median? Yes, आशीष, इसके बाद क्या कर रहे हो? Firstly, calculate cumulative frequency C dot F. That's why that question is important. सबसे पहले यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करो C dot F because median is given, so we will use that thing. And third mode is given. Firstly, use median. Calculate C dot F. Find n by 2. कंप्लीट करना है आपको ये क्वेश्चन. यस, किसी का हुआ? यस आशीष, उर्वी, listen one thing. After this equation, it is given that median is equal to 33.5, right? Look at the board, median is equal to given 33.5. So 33.5, it will lies in the class interval 30 to 40. So select 30 to 40 as your median class. Clear? Select 30 to 40 as your median class. And one more thing, this question is solved on page number 53. Yes, please note that in the book, first book, S.C. Gupta. That is uploaded in your lecture 1.1, Fundamentals of Mathematical Statics. On page number 53, this question is completely solved. You can check from there. And similarly, mode is given 34. 34 also lies in between 30 to 40. So model class is also 30 to 40. So you can use both the formulas, one for median and second for mode. Ashish, clear? Page number 53 in the first book, S.C. Gupta. That is uploaded on your lecture 1.1 on BB. You can check this question from there. This question is important, so all of you please complete this question on your notebooks. Clear? Twenty to 30. Okay, it's okay. Ujjwal, you can consider the same one, but not F1. You have to consider 30 to 40. Then include F2. Median is 33.5. Lying in the class interval 30 to 40. So 30 to 40 is your median class. Median class means in which your values lies. Similarly, mode is given 34. Again, it is also lies in the interval 30 to 40. So select this one as your model class. Otherwise, please check at page number 53 in the first book, S.C. Gupta. Thank you. Thanks to all of you. Now you can leave the session. And if anybody want to ask any